And in 1967, when I was just beginning my PhD at Indiana University in the very, very first semester, in the fall semester of 67, I was taking a course in fieldwork and research methods. And the person teaching the course was Jerome Mintz. And Jerome Mintz had written his dissertation on legends among the Hasidim living in New York. And we all had to do some kind of a fieldwork project. And so when he found out that I knew Yiddish, he said, well, why don't you do something, with Yiddish? And I thought, okay, that sounds, maybe we'll give it a try. And at the same time, I was taking a course in Russian folklore. And we had a textbook called Russian Folklore by Sokolov. It was a nice Soviet-era Russian folklore textbook. And I remember taking it home at Thanksgiving and sitting at the kitchen table and reading it, and then coming across a section on funeral customs, what you do when somebody dies. And I read it aloud. My mother was at the sink. My father was reading the newspaper at the table. And I read aloud. I said, listen to this. It says here that when a person dies, this is in the Russian folklore book, when a person dies, you put a glass of water on the windowsill, open the window, put a little towel there so the soul can wash itself as it exits the window and dry itself. And I don't know whether my mother or my father said, no, my father must have said, well, that's what we did. And then it kind of dawned on me. I thought, really? What else did you do? And I realized that everything I needed was there.